A nonprofit that services the Mahoning Valley is renovating a building after finding a major need for affordable housing for those dealing with a mental illness. I'm joined by the president and CEO of Compass Family and Community Services, the agency spearheading this. Joe Caruso, thanks so much for being with us.
Well, thank you for having me. It's our pleasure, and we're very excited about this project.
Yeah, I bet. And I understand this is called the Compass Campus of Care. So what can we expect out of this facility when it opens up?
Well, we are on the campus of care that is made up of a number of different not-for-profit corporations. And Compass is just one of the not-for-profits that's out on the campus of care that the Mahoning County Commissioners and the Mahoning County Mental Health and Recovery Board put together. We are going to be creating and renovating and putting back into beneficial use a facility that used to be a nursing home style facility for the Youngstown Developmental Center. We are going to convert it into 27 to accommodate 27 individuals in an assisted living like environment, where we will be providing them an array of services and giving them a place to live in dignity, with dignity and respect.
And tell me a little bit more about what new services and resources these 27 people will be able to utilize. What can they expect here?
Well, what they're going to expect is first of all, they're going to have a wonderful place to live. Again, as I said, a place that people can live with dignity and respect. They will get an array of services, of nursing services and mental health services, both counseling, case management, and medication assistance with them. Okay. And it'll give them, they'll have their meals provided. We'll have a number of activities for these individuals who are disabled.
Okay, and I want to get into what's the cost associated with this, who's eligible, and what are the requirements?
Well, first of all, we are going to be constructing the building, and we received $750,000 from the congressionally directed spending from U.S. Senator Sherrod Brown, as well as $750,000 from the Mahoning County Commissioners as part of the ARPA funds to be able to make the renovations possible. We will be looking at a variety of different application processes for people to come in to live, and it's really going to be dependent upon their individual situation as to what they would have to pay and how they would access the services.
Yeah, it sounds like a great use of these funds. And I also want to ask, I know you guys mentioned you had calls into Compass to really spearhead this whole thing. Just how crucial do you think it is, the need for this, and what type of situations are we finding people in locally that needs more attention?
Well, we're in dire situations for affordable housing for people with severe and persistent mental illness. Again, there are places that rent to individuals, and they're not desirable places to live. They're not getting the services and the treatment that they need. And this is just one step and one piece of the puzzle that we need many more of these types of facilities to be able to house and provide the services that people want. But they don't have the availability to have a place like this to reside in and to receive those services.
Yeah, well, sounds like this will help a lot of people. Joe Caruso with Compass Family and Community Services, thank you for sharing this new addition in the Valley.
Thank you so very much.